Welcome to the Winterhalter Academy. Today we are presenting our CTR series, the new rack conveyor dishwashers from Winterhalter. In today's world, there's one thing that is getting more and more pressurized: the limited space available in the kitchen. At the same time, it's not always easy to determine which size of machine will be the perfect choice for the customer. How is my new business going to develop? Do I really need the larger machine? Isn't the smaller one already big enough? Sadly, once the customer has selected a machine size, they cannot simply make it bigger when the business grows. Or can they? To generate customer benefits that last, we need to develop two innovations in professional warewashing technology. First, a compact conveyor dishwasher that takes up little space in the kitchen, and second, a conveyor dishwasher with the ability to grow as the business gets bigger and more plates needs washing. A machine that's perfect for all sectors, serving anywhere from 100 up to 400 diners, such as care homes, schools, hospitals, hotels, and restaurants. And now Winterhalter has the perfect solution, and we call it the CTR.
Hola, qué alegría verte por aquí. ¿Has tenido alguna vez una cita con un tren de lavado? Permíteme que me presente. Mi nombre es CTR y soy la nueva serie de trenes de lavado de Winterhalter. Soy compacta y muy flexible. Gracias a mi estructura modular, puedes configurarme de forma individual para satisfacer cualquier necesidad, incluso aquellas más complejas y de espacio reducido. Me encanta trabajar en restaurantes, comedores de empresa y cocinas centrales. Soy lo que siempre soñaste. ¿Me dejas demostrártelo? ¿Cuáles son los factores más importantes de un tren de lavado para ti? Me lo puedo imaginar. Máximo rendimiento en el mínimo espacio. Mi sistema modular flexible me convierte en el socio ideal en la fase de asesoramiento y planificación. Conmigo todo es posible. Módulo de lavado con aclarado simple o doble. Zona de prelavado y zona de secado, con o sin recuperador de calor Energy. Como ves, juntos formamos un gran equipo. ¿Qué más valoras de un tren de lavado? ¿Fiabilidad y garantía de funcionamiento? ¡Genial! De nuevo estamos de acuerdo. La higiene es un requisito fundamental y conmigo puedes estar tranquilo. Si la temperatura de la cuba o del boiler desciende por debajo del valor de programación, reduzco automáticamente la velocidad para garantizar siempre un lavado higiénico. Pero mi concepto higiénico también incluye muchas otras características, como mis puertas pivotantes a 180 grados, insuperables. Un nuevo golpe de efecto, dirían mis competidores. El especialista en el lavado, respondería yo con confianza. Un resultado de lavado perfecto no es fruto de la casualidad. 3 programas de lavado con diferentes velocidades te lo garantizan, de 50 a 195 cestas por hora, dependiendo de tus necesidades. ¿No te lo crees? Una de mis virtudes. Mi volumen de agua de aclarado se ajusta de forma automática a la velocidad de arrastre, lo que me permite reducir el consumo de agua de aclarado hasta en un 50%, tan solo 130 litros por hora. Lavar conmigo es hacerlo de forma eficiente. Y mi potencial de ahorro no acaba solo ahí. Con la ayuda del Connected Wash podrás comprobar de lo que hablo. No quisiera dejar pasar lo fiable que soy y mi facilidad de uso. A tu personal de lavado le resultará muy cómodo mi diseño ergonómico, al igual que mi pantalla táctil inteligente. Bien, repasemos. Estamos de acuerdo en muchas cuestiones y tenemos los mismos objetivos. Ibas buscando un tren de lavado compacto, potente y modular que te facilite la mejor planificación de tus proyectos. Y, en definitiva, quieres un compañero de viaje con la potencia necesaria para ofrecer todas las garantías. Por ello, soy la solución que buscabas, la nueva serie CTR de Winterhalter. la mejor propuesta del mercado. No dudes en dar el siguiente paso y consulta a tu delegado de zona que resolverá todas tus dudas y dará solución a todos tus problemas de lavado.
So, how do you like the new one from Winterhalter? Of course, you will get to know the CTR even more detailed. This part will be covered by Fabian Löffler from our international sales department.
We are convinced that our CTR has everything you expect from a perfect rack conveyor dishwasher, an all-around strong performance package. So let's take a closer look at the CTR profile. An outstanding feature is the modular design, which gives the CTR enormous flexibility. It allows the machine to be easily tailored and configured to your individual requirements. The CTR comes in two basic versions. The CTR-M with one tank and a single rinse, or the CTR-L with a separate rinse tank and double rinse. This configuration means that particles are rinsed off even better and the rack capacity is increased. For an optimized wash result and a higher rack capacity, a pre-wash zone can be added. This is available in size S with 500 mm with an extended flushing and filter system, or in size M with 800 mm, which has an additional wash tank. Here's a familiar situation. When starch is pre-washed at too high temperature, it sticks to the items being washed so tenaciously that it's very, very difficult to remove. The M pre-wash zone rinses the dishes at a temperature of 45 degrees Celsius. The cooler rinse avoids this stubborn soiling. If you want a better drying result, not only for dishes but for plastic too, such as trays, cups and the like, we recommend a drying zone. This is available in two versions: straight version or a space-saving corner version. As you can see, the modular system gives you plenty of possibilities. And best of all, if requirements change or business operations are expanded, all these modules can be retrofitted at any time. The CTR is a machine that delivers high washing performance in the smallest of spaces. Nowadays, operating costs are of great significance. The CTR is exceptionally economical and efficient. The speed-dependent rinse water volume allows water consumption to be cut to a minimum, while maintaining a consistently high rinsing quality. Best of all, it not only saves water, but electricity, detergent and rinse aid as well. The idea behind this feature is to achieve the most efficient and therefore environmentally friendly use of the rinse water volume. It automatically adjusts to the current conveyor speed to a minimum of 130 liters per hour. To increase the efficiency even further, we use the rack-controlled zone activation. That means the zone is activated only if there is a wash rack in it. With these features, which are fitted as standard to the CTR, you can significantly reduce your daily operating costs. And of course, the CTR is also available with Winterhalter's proven, highly successful energy concept. This means it can be optionally equipped with exhaust air heat recovery. This protects the environment, cuts energy consumption, and by reducing steam, also makes the kitchen climate much more pleasant. In the standard configuration, the energy module sits above the outlet area. If the machine has a drying zone, the energy module is placed in the inlet area. The superior flexibility of the CTR allows this module to be retrofitted at any time. Another highlight. With connected wash, the CTR can be integrated into your network via Wi-Fi or LAN. By analyzing and interpreting the operating data, the entire washing process can be optimized and the operational and hygiene safety increased. Using the associated app, you can access the data that matters to you at any time, and you will automatically be notified of errors. This feature is an innovation by Winterhalter and is increasingly becoming standard equipment in our warewashers. No wonder, since the potential benefits are enormous. The CTR's smart touch display makes for easy and stress-free operation. Language-neutral user interface, self-explanatory pictograms, and single-button operation. With a water and shock-resistant surface made of robust glass, highly sensitive, so it can be operated even when wearing gloves. There are 3 standard transport speeds that can be selected on the user interface for heavy, medium and low soiling, from 50 to 195 regs per hour. At the end of the day, we always recommend emptying the machine using the self-cleaning program. Right next to it, it's a function for quick tank emptying without the self-cleaning program. If a lot of food residues have entered the tank, you can change the tank water at any time. Depending on the degree of soiling and time available, you can decide whether you want to change 1/3, half or 100% of the tank water. The respective time for each choice is displayed. The machine logs all relevant data in an operating and hygiene logbook. To ensure that the CTR is ready for operation, punctually at the start of work, you can use the timer function. The machine then switches on automatically at the desired time and, if you wish, switches off again at the end of the day. The CTR fulfills the highest standards for wash results. That's because behind the machine is a well thought out concept for perfect cleanliness and hygiene. I would like to illustrate this for you with a particularly innovative feature, the hygiene mode. The hygiene mode is always activated in all 3 programs. If the tank or boiler temperature falls below the set point, the CTR automatically adjusts its transport speed and so always ensures a hygienic wash. If needed, the speed mode can be switched over to at any time. In this case, the CTR keeps its transport speed constant and washes with the selected rack capacity. The CTR has many additional features to ensure hygiene is kept at the highest level. For example, the hygienic doors that can be swiveled 180 degrees, the deep-drawn filters and tanks, the hygienic tank heater, and the hygienic rear panel without risers in the interior. When it comes to hygiene, customers can rely absolutely on the CTR. Briefly, the outstanding features of the CTR once more. On top of its compact dimensions, the CTR is a powerful performer. Its modular system allows extraordinary flexibility. It is highly economical and absolutely hygienic. And with its smart touch display and connected wash, it is superbly equipped and truly innovative. In all these areas, the CTR sets totally new standards and is the best solution for professional kitchens.
So, what do you think about our new CTR? If you want to get to know our new machine personally, simply contact us at Winterhalter.
You'll get professional and individual guidance for your projects. Just get in touch. We're here for you.